Hello everyone. I would like to present this course to you on behalf of iMarketer Training and share their expertise with you today. We've put together this course because content marketing is becoming a new SEO, new PR and branding. So welcome to our lesson and let's get started. Today we'll talk about what content marketing is so that you have a better understanding of it. We'll talk about the purpose of content marketing, strategies, goals, and we'll discover who is your target audience, competitors, and what questions to ask yourself before starting to plan your steps. The best definition of content marketing is given by contentmarketinginstitute.com, where it says that content marketing is a marketing technique to create and distribute relevant and valuable content to attract, acquire, and engage a clearly defined and understood target audience, with the objective of driving profitable customer action. In simple words, it is about creating and sharing the content with prospects in mind. What is the purpose of content marketing? Well, it is for attracting and retaining customers by creating relevant and valuable content with the intention of changing or enhancing consumer behavior. It is an ongoing process that is best integrated to your overall marketing strategy, and it focuses on owning media.